How to fix terminal opens and closes on a fixed time in Windows 11. Hello friends, you might be experiencing Windows terminal opening and closing on a time schedule on daily basis. The prompt might create a distraction in the middle of your workflow. This issue mostly occurs because of a third-party program installed on your computer. Follow the steps to fix it. Right click on Start, select Terminal Admin, go to the description of this video, copy the PowerShell command and paste into the PowerShell. Press enter. You can see another window. Find the third party program that triggers the terminal to execute in this list and uninstall the program. To uninstall, click on Start, go to Settings, click on Apps, Installed Apps, find the third party program, click on three dots and select Uninstall. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.